Hi students, this is the Hal Leonard D-Scale PDF, which you have seen. We've worked on it in class, and I thought it deserved a little bit more explanation. Now, first of all, we're learning how to read notes on the staff, not on a tab. And this fingerboard of the ukulele, and it's all of the frets that you have, not to confuse you, but we're talking about the key of D. And the key of D has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, in that order. F sharp is the first sharp, and then C sharp. What this image, this graphic shows you is all of the C sharps and then also C's and F's and F sharps throughout the fingerboard. So they don't show any other notes of the scale. They don't show D, E, and then they don't show A and so on. But they show you just the accidentals, the notes that are being raised. And then here they show you F sharp is shown in both of its octaves. The low F sharp, the high F sharp. The C sharp is the low C sharp and the high C sharp. And then we have the fortunate step that the Hal Leonard book shows it in a staff with 5 lines and 4 spaces, and also a tab with just the strings of the ukulele and what frets to press down. Now, in a slow, these are quarter notes, and you may recall that 4/4 in the time signature means 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note, the 4 below, means quarter note gets 1 beat. So these are measures, by the way, divided by bar lines. These bar lines, these vertical lines, create measures or bars. This would be 4 measures or 4 bars of music. And the last measure has a double bar, which means fine. That's the end. Now, they show the F sharp in the key signature, which is musically proper. That's correct. And that's the F sharp, and here's the C sharp next to it. Now, you don't have to add the accidentals next to this C or next to this F. It's implied in the key. And it's F sharp here going up, it's C sharp here going up, it's C sharp here going down, and then it's F sharp here going down at a very slow, leisurely tempo. Slower than that. Here we go. And so you'd put your second finger on the C string. That's actually a D. Second finger on the C string is a D. And then we would proceed up like this. 1, 2, this, slow. Okay, let me do that slowest. Now also, let me, for the highest notes, I would slide up. So you have, I would slide to the 4th fret, and then put 3 down on the 5th fret, and it repeats. Sorry. At the slowest tempo. And let me get rid of my image so you can see the music. Ready, play. You're following the numbers. I'd slide. Repeat. Now slide back. Excellent. Now the one below it, exercise 2, is eighth notes. And eighth notes are twice as fast and they're counted 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that last one is a quarter note. So the same pattern I would slide up for the 4th and 5th frets, but this is now in 8th notes. 1 and 2 and ready with the metronome. 1. Let me do that one again with the metronome, which is on 40 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and ready and slow play. Okay, now I also want to point out that whenever I play the 2nd fret, I use the 2nd finger. Except for the 4, 5. And that's just a good position because we're in the 1st position when the 1st finger's on the 1st fret and I'm using 2nd finger. And then I go to the 3rd position when I slide down because the 1st finger would be on the 3rd fret. Back to the 1st position. Yeah, and it's just good to, the frets and the fingers at this point, they're in alignment. It's like a harmonic convergence. They are the same. Okay, students, have fun with that. There's more to come.